What if I told you there are free AI websites that can help you write faster, create content, design graphics, and even make money online? Most people spend hours doing tasks that AI can complete in minutes. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 free AI websites everyone should know. Welcome to AI Simplified, where we make AI easy to understand and use. Overview of all 5 website logos appearing one after another. Our first website is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI assistants in the world. It can help you write articles, emails, scripts, and social media posts. Students can use it for learning and research. Freelancers can use it to increase productivity and save time. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can be incredibly useful. Number 2 is Canva AI. Canva AI makes graphic design simple for everyone. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, and presentations in minutes. The AI features help generate layouts, images, and designs quickly. Even complete beginners can create professional-looking content. Number 3 is Gemini by Google. User asking Gemini a complex question. It can provide detailed explanations and summarize information quickly. It's a powerful free alternative for anyone working online. Number 4 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity combines AI and search into one powerful platform. Unlike many AI tools, Perplexity provides sources for its answers. This makes it perfect for students, researchers, and content creators. If you do a lot of research, Perplexity can save you a huge amount of time. Number 5 is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI allows you to create stunning AI-generated images. Simply type a description, and the AI creates unique artwork for you. It's especially useful for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and from realistic images to creative artwork, Leonardo AI offers endless possibilities. Let's quickly recap our top 5 free AI websites. ChatGPT for writing and productivity. Canva AI logo and design examples. ChatGPT for writing and productivity. Gemini for smart assistants and Perplexity for research with sources. And Leonardo AI for generating amazing AI images. If you found these AI tools helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to AI Simplify for more AI tools, productivity tips, and online income ideas. Which AI website was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.